channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Current subscribers, welcome back. Hope you're having a good Sunday. So y'all bear with me. I am having one of those days. I'm not feeling my best, but I wanted to bring y'all another video. I am making this cream of chicken dish that I grew up on. It has bell peppers and onions, and it's made with cream of chicken soup. I did put like a little bit of chicken bouillon and a little bit of water in this pan. Now some people just, I think I've seen some just, you know, dump it in a baking dish or whatever. But I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna pour it in here. So let's see. I also put like a little hole at the bottom because it makes it come out a lot easier. So 1 second. Yep, it helps it come out so much easier, you guys. So much easier. It's like a little bit at the bottom, so give me just a second. And then there's a little bit in here that I want to get out. Okay, so I put a little bit of chicken bouillon in the bottom of here. I'm gonna also just add a little extra seasoning in here as well. So I want to like stir it until it actually, you know, makes it kind of creamy. Get all the lumps out. So when I pour it over the meat, it'll be kind of like creamy. So I'm gonna let this kind of simmer so I can get all the lumps out, and then I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did actually move the cream of chicken soup on the side. Now I'm just gonna season this meat. Let me I'm just gonna I know this is a steak seasoning, but I really like this. It's like a buttery steak seasoning that I'm gonna put on here. I also have a Kinder's, it's like a seasoning blend. It's salt, pepper, and garlic that I'm gonna put on it. And let me go get well, you know what, let me just use these. I was gonna just so I can kind of flip them over so I can season the other side. I don't want to have to touch this raw chicken. Let's see. Okay. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. It is still it's still chilly here in Wisconsin. Now this particular dish, if you've never had it before, you could put it over some rice. And the side that my godmother used to always make with it was like broccoli and cheese. But you know, if you wanted to, you could pair it with like some green beans with some dinner rolls or something like that. If you wanted cornbread, you could put cornbread with it as well. So let me try to just get these back in here. Okay. So now I'm just gonna layer it's just some onions and bell peppers on top of it. You don't really have to put it in like a special way or nothing like that. Just a gradual amount. I had a nice size bell pepper, so I just used one bell pepper because it was a pretty good size. But if your bell pepper is not that big, then you might want to, you know, do 2 bell peppers instead of 1. I will drop them, like the things that I actually use, in the description, like always. So let's see. I'm just gonna put this on top. Okay. All right. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the creamy chicken soup on the top of it. Give me just a second and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 375 for probably about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'll check on it to see what it looks like, and then I'll see if it needs more time or if it's actually good, and then I will be back. So I'll see y'all soon. All right. Okay, guys, I'm back with the end results. So this is what it came out looking like. As you can see, it actually did like a gravy. Like I was saying before, you can put this over like a bed of rice. You can have it with like broccoli and cheese, maybe like some dinner rolls. My godmother used to fix us broccoli and cheese, dinner rolls with the chicken. It's got plenty of, I did have to change the dish because it would have overflowed in my oven. I end up cooking this for an hour and 15 minutes because, as you can see, these chicken drumsticks were pretty big, and I wanted to make sure that it was cooked thoroughly. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to come back so you could see what it looked like. This is the end result. This is so yummy. Like I said, I've been eating this since I was a little girl. Yeah, my godmommy used to make this for me when I was little. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.